Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you how to make those nasty headlights look like brand new again. What we're going to need for the job: a bucket of water, just clean water, some masking tape. We'll need 1200 sandpaper, 2000 sandpaper. We will need 3M Perfected Series compound number 1 and number 2. You can see rubbing compound and machine polish and a buffer. You can do it by hand if you don't have a buffer, but it will take you a little bit longer to polish them. So check it out now guys. You can see how nasty those things are. I've seen people clear coating them, but I'm never a fan of clear coating. Some clear coats will melt your plastic. If you spray too much, still it will melt your plastic. And after a while they'll start peeling, and even if they don't, it still turns yellow. Unless you use super high quality clear coat that you have to spray with the gun. So stay with us guys, this method makes them like new, and I'll show you what you need to do once every 6 to 12 months to keep them like new, and you won't have to polish them again. So we're going to tape around the headlights now, okay, to make sure that we don't sand the paint at all. Okay, we'll get some water guys, and you're going to dip the 1200 in water, and check out our website mechaniclifestyle.com. it's in the description. We share the links for all the products that we use guys, so if you need anything you can get it. Okay, and let's see how it's going to look now. So you're going to sand like that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you can see that nasty yellow stuff. Okay, that's the film on top that we're removing now. Okay, that is nasty. So when it starts coming clear, just clear white, then you will need to stop. Alright guys, we're done with 1200. Now we're gonna take 2000. You see, the whole process doesn't take long at all. Probably 15 minutes and you have your headlights restored. And those, the rubbing compound and the machine polish are usually for paint surface, so you can use them on your car. You can shine it pretty good with the machine polish. Or after painting something, if you need to remove orange peel, we have the video how to do that with the same compounds. Okay, look at that. That's great. So now we're going to remove the tape, and you see it looks a little bit better, but it's still pretty nasty. And what we need to do now, we need to dry everything before we proceed with polishing. And the thing about it is, like, when you dry it now, it will turn really dull. You will see there will be no shine at all, and that's fine. Just stay with us to see what's happening next. So now, number 1, rubbing compound, we're going to apply a layer on top of the headlight. Okay, just get a napkin or something, don't touch it with your fingers too much, just chemicals. Okay, like that. Now with the foam pad and the buffer guys that we have here, Chicago buffer we've been using for so long, we're going to buff that thing. Okay, we usually go around 2100 RPMs, but if you haven't done that, go slower so you don't melt the headlight. You have to move back and forth. Okay, we're gonna put one more layer of that stuff. One more, because the first one, it does make it a lot better, you can see, but it still needs more. Okay, check how nasty this thing is. Alright, check this one out now. It started turning good already. Okay, looks good so far, but we're not done. You see what else we need to do. We need to get the number 2 now, the machine polish, and we need to do another layer of that. And it's important to move back and forth quick because the headlight will get warm because it's plastic. So if you stay just in one spot for a long time, you might melt the plastic. So just don't stay at one spot for too long. Alright guys, so now we're just going to wipe everything, make sure we don't have any wax, anything left. And what we use is a sealant, okay, M sealer right here guys. And if you apply this every 6 to 12 months, your headlight will look good. That's really good. It protects them from the UV rays. Okay, so it will actually not let the sun melt the plastic again, pretty much. And check it out guys now. You can see how yellowish though that thing is. Okay, and this one is crystal clear. Looks 10 times better than what it was. Okay, you can see from distance as well. Okay, check out the other side now. Definitely big difference. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.